Hi, so the purpose of this video is to show you how to edit student information so that you can add IEPs if the student has a IEP that needs to be added to his account. Let's get started. First, open up the dashboard. Then, click on the Students tab at the top. Once you've clicked on the Students tab, you will go to the Find Students, and then once you've put in the student's name, it will allow you to click on the student's account information. Once you've clicked on the student's account information, you will click on the Edit Information. Now, you will do this if this is not already here. So if you need to indicate that the student is in need of an IEP or needs to reflect that that student has an IEP, then you'll go to Edit Information. Once you get to Edit Information, scroll down to Additional Information, and this section that says IEP, you want to click the drop down and then indicate yes. Now, once that's done, click on the Save icon. Now you're back at the student's main menu, and when you're there, scroll down and click on the External Files button. Now you're able to browse the computer to find whatever IEP report needs to be uploaded, and then down here you'll simply click on, I probably should have left this unblocked, but you'll click on the IEP, and if it's a 504, you'll click that, or if it's ELL, you'll click on that one. Now, also, keep in mind that you will need to have the document in order to upload it. So that would be another video. Thank you very much.